Are you struggling to get your Magento store noticed on Google? Ever wondered why some online stores show up everywhere on Google while others are nowhere to be found? Let's dive into how Magento Sitemap extensions can boost your SEO and improve your store's visibility. A Magento Sitemap extension is a tool that automatically creates and manages XML and HTML sitemaps. It helps Google find and index your pages, products, and categories faster. The extension automatically updates your sitemap every time you add new products or categories. You no longer need to update it manually. Besides XML, the extension provides an HTML sitemap for customers, making it easier for them to find products and improving user experience. It keeps people on your site longer and helps with SEO. This extension lets you manage all your sitemaps from one interface, perfect for businesses with a global presence. Search engines gain a clear roadmap of your site, making it easier for them to crawl essential pages. It results in quicker indexing and better visibility. With priority settings, Google knows which pages to crawl first. It boosts the visibility of high-conversion pages like your homepage and bestsellers. This feature comes with clean URLs. It is key for SEO, and it helps search engines understand your site better. With an HTML sitemap for users, your store becomes easier to navigate. It means more time spent on your site. Magento Sitemap extensions are a powerful tool for improving your SEO and making sure your products are easily found on Google. Whether you're running a small store or a massive e-commerce site, there's an extension that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, share and subscribe for more tips on growing your Magento store.